Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online store with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings option in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on Plan and Permissions to view your current plan details. Make sure you are on a secure plan that supports advanced security features. Next, go back to the settings menu and select Checkout. Here, enable the option to require a password for customers before checkout. This will help protect your store from unauthorized access. Now, navigate to Apps and Sales Channels in the left sidebar. Install security apps like Shopify Fraud Filter or Rewind Backups. These apps will help monitor transactions and protect against fraud. Return to the Settings menu and click on Notifications. Ensure that you have notifications enabled for order confirmations and suspicious activity. Next, go to Online Store and select Preferences. Add a Google Analytics account to track visitor behavior and detect anomalies. It's crucial to keep your Shopify store updated. Regularly check for any app or platform updates in the Apps section. Now, take a moment to review your store's payment settings. Navigate to Settings and then click on Payments. Choose secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal. Activate two-factor authentication for added security. Go to your account settings and enable two-step verification. This will require a code from your phone in addition to your password. Finally, back up your Shopify store data regularly. Consider exporting your products and orders through the Export option in the Products section. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to securing your online store effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.